New giant of old here. Homesteak. Looks like a Chinese guy, and right there would be his nose. This would be his left eye. Top of the head. This is the whole face right here, and he's looking south towards I-90. Ooh, there's another good one over there. Whoa, that's crazy. I'm just gonna do this one real fast. Okay, so this is the head. That's the right eye, left eye, the nose, the mouth, and then his body goes across the interstate, which is the white rocks. But that's the face right there, and it's looking up. It's looking north. There's two of them. One beside it, one right there, and one right there. Giant faces. Probably 20 foot across from left to right here. This is the one I originally started filming for.
Where you want to go back down to the flat?
Alright.
You come up? Or
There it is.